Hi, it's Andy from Italy Decanted, exploring some of the less well-known parts of Rome. And here I am in an archway on the facade of the Theatre of Marcellus, opened by the Emperor Augustus in 12 BC. It's named after his favourite nephew Marcellus, who was the son of his sister Octavia. This wonderful building, we're not sure of its actual capacity. It was around 15,000 is probably a fair guess. And as you can see, it's faced in stone, but inside all construction is the best of Roman construction, using concrete and brick to enable them to build all these wonderful arches. And it was here the Romans could see plays and theatre performed. But just bear in mind that with a capacity of 15,000, just over the other side is the Circus Maximus, and that's where they had the chariot racing. And the capacity of the chariot racing, well, that was 250,000. So we have to be honest and say that maybe the theatre wasn't as big a draw as the chariot racing.